Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix one of the most annoying problems you have when you are using the .NET version of the Godot game engine. So if I click on play here now, I know that many have encountered this before. So if I go to the debugger tab, we can read here that we have a System.DllNotFoundException here. It is unable to load the libvosk DLL file in my case. It can be another library for you. So why does this happen? I tried this with Newtonsoft.json and that runs just fine. So what I found is that if you have a library that in its turn is trying to access another library, it will not be able to find the DLL file. So why is this? So we can right click on the rest folder here and open in the file manager. So the path that the Godot game engine is using to run the program is in .godot, mono, temp, bin, debug. And here's where all the DLL files are. But the problem for the third-party library when it's looking for another library is that it will not know about this path. But there's a path that's always available, which is the root folder. But before we do anything else, I'm just going to show you here, if we export a project export, we're just going to do a Windows export. We don't care about the RC edit. We're going to use Godot's default stuff. So just export the project here. As you can see, I already have a folder for this guy, so I'm just going to click here on save and OK. We're going to get this error here, but we're going to click on OK. It doesn't matter. It can still run. So I'm going to go back here to the export Windows folder and open this guy in the file manager. And we're going to run the console version. As you can see here, this runs just fine. So when you're exporting a project, there's not a problem. But if you're running the project from the Godot game engine, it can't find the DLL file. So what's the solution? The solution is that we have to go into the mono folder here, the temp folder, the bin folder, the debug folder, and we need to copy all these other files here because the vosk.dll file is looking for these guys. So we're going to right click and copy. We're going to go to the root project folder, which is where we can find the project.godot file. We're going to right click and we're going to paste. All right, and now we're going to go back to the Godot game engine and restart. And now it can find the DLL files in order to run the application. Exporting is not a problem. It works on both Linux and Windows. The solution for Linux is a little bit different, and I'm going to post a separate video for that. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.